I just like the sound of it.
Hey guys, welcome to episode 6 of the R700 project car, which is obviously being worked on again behind us. So in this episode, what we are doing, and I'm not threatening people with this, by the way.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
We are using a Scorpion decat downpipe to go to our full stage 2 package, which we brand up as a DK400 package. Reason we brand it as the DK400 package is because we guarantee over 400 horsepower with our tunes. So the last step to that sort of stage 2 thing is in this box. Now, in this box is, so we are going for the 3-inch decat downpipe from our suppliers Scorpion, who are based over in Derbyshire, and we have a great working relationship with Scorpion. They offer some really nice affordable modifications for exhausts, and that is the downpipe that is going on. And as you can see, Phil, that looks pretty sexual. So we've got some welding porn going on here, guys. We've got all sorts of bits and bobs going on. And we fit tons of these. Just to show you how many we actually fit of these, we've got another Cooper R in. If we just pan over to there, Phil, very quick. Cooper R in that's having a decat downpipe, which is exactly the same downpipe as this. And that is being put on as we speak. So effectively we've got 2 of these to fit today. So they are popular. We do use a lot of Scorpion stuff, and they are very popular because they're very affordable, but they're effective as well. So that's the decat downpipe. Obviously it deletes the main catalytic converter, which I think on the original system is around here, but obviously that's very restrictive. We struggle to get anywhere sort of close to 400 horsepower with the stock cat in because of how restrictive and thick it is. And we will be putting this on, and this will give us probably another sort of 15 brake horsepower just by applying this decat downpipe. So as you can see, it's 3-inch all the way through, mandrel bends, welded up, and it's a piece of art. So this is going on today, and then in episode 7 we will be doing some more data logging, some more testing, some more mapping, ready for Shelsely Walsh, which is next Friday. So we've got a really busy schedule the next week or so. There's lots of content coming out, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. And I'd say that with a threat.
1 hour, 3 me, you'll have to fight me for your 10,000, no problem. Give me my deal, like give me my you did.
And like the video, and please obviously subscribe to our channel, and share the video everywhere you can. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. We will crack on by fitting this now. We've got a tight schedule today, so we're going to crack on, and thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.